Hear that, guys?
I cook baked chicken today.
Baked
so
chicken.
This chicken, it's done seasoned already.
Welcome back, guys, to another Delpratt Family video. We are here in the Delpratt kitchen, and guess who's back? And what's going on, Mom? Just to have our chicken seasoned up. Watch ya. See them some, yeah? From when you season up your chicken, Mom?
From yesterday evening. A baked chicken, I do, you know. Like a baked chicken. I still put my regular rice and peas, but I use the pressure cooker.
Yeah.
I pressure it for 15 minutes. So I'm going to put the rice in a pot here, so I'm going to transfer the peas in a pot.
There we go.
Yeah.
You hear this? Remember director over here, so bring it closer.
The last time you make your rice and peas, mommy, and the people them love how your rice and peas look, you know. So I guess I can show them how to really get it nice and shelly like how it is in the next video. You know, so yeah, guys.
And it's not really hard enough to get the rice shelly, it's not hard. You just put, if you're going to use that, come on, sure.
Guys, mind you, she don't measure nothing, you know, guys. Everything I just.
Alright.
That's it now.
Alright. Take for instance now, I'm going to put 2 pounds of rice or 2.5 pounds of rice. We just judge it because the peas in it. I put 2 pounds of rice or 2.5 pounds of rice. We judge the water already.
Yeah.
You understand? Judge the water. I'm going to cook it, boil it down a little. I'm going to boil on my season or whatever, coconut milk and so. So I judge that and say buy that for boil on that the water will leave and the juice you can steam the rice.
Here we do it. So when you put in the rice to the too, you can use like a fork or a spoon, put it in it, and you show them the level of the rice to the water.
Yeah, some people do
so them can know.
Yeah.
That's a good idea, you know?
So I'll season up my rice.
Season up. So we're using to season up again, just in case they missed it. So you have your thyme, your scallion, you know that green pepper there? Classic Jamaican rice and peas.
Oh, I made some pimento. I use some pimento seed.
And your garlic beaten nice from before.
I'm the garlic already. You know, so normally I season the peas from it up to skin up. Never bother do it. I try the short method I use.
Yeah.
But if I never use the pressure cooker now, I season the peas from put it on the fire, so I have it on the fire.
Okay.
I make it cook, I make the peas get the flavor and stuff.
Yeah.
So I use the pressure cooker when I bother. Yeah. So that's it. So until further notice. Bye. Some peas up on the way now. Yeah, family one. See the peas there? When you see the peas burst. When you see a peas burst, you know say the peas cook. Yeah. When we put in the rice, we show them where the water is from above the rice.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
I didn't or rice now.
Hold on. Alright.
So now we're gonna look at the level. Guys, you have to wash the rice first, yeah? That's a must.
Oh my god. That is a must. Alright. Even when I put in my rice, I still taste my rice, you know? I still taste my say if it warm, come back, so you put in the rice, a different flavor from when. So if anything, I'll taste
as you go, right?
Still a taste again.
Taste as you go.
Okay, sure taste good. So I use this to stir my rice. And when I put it so and it stand up, at the level then I know say I don't have to put no more water. So that steam right down to my water.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright, so rice
So
is
when
on
it
the
boil
way.
up now, I turn on my stove on 0. Here is 0, 1. Turn on my stove. I have to just stay there and take your time and steam.
Jaden,
Yeah.
them want make cake, you know? So ma make? Yeah, you can stir it. You can stir it, but on time yet.
Nothing already yet still.
On time.
What we're going to do now, we're going to make the sauce for the baked chicken. I buy this, you know, bullseye, the barbecue sauce, but if me just use use the sauce alone, I don't like the flavor.
It's too tangy.
Yeah. and it overpower the chicken. So I'm gonna do me kind of dilute it.
Right.
Can I dilute it?
There, I'm gonna do it to cake. So I'm gonna use some of the barbecue sauce.
And then use ketchup.
I'm gonna use some ketchup.
Wait.
You're supposed to have one smaller container in a bucket.
And then you're going to use soy sauce.
Yeah. I'm gonna kind of tone it down a little.
Can I stir it?
Yes, more my chicken have a nice, pretty color.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wait, Jalen.
That fits me
I like to use the barbecue sauce. Cause you see, if me I gonna use if me I gonna make my own sauce, cause I can make my own sauce from scratch, you know. And next time we do it when me have the baked chicken, or me make my own sauce from scratch.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the ready-made. This is the ready-made sauce. So we just put the corn into this get the right color. I'm gonna boil it. I'm gonna put it on the stove. Put it on the stove and make it.
So that thing that they put into it now with the red cap, that's the soy sauce, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna put it in the saucepan.
By the way, guys,
If me, I make my own barbecue sauce. I use sugar, I use vinegar. I use maybe put some onion and like all-purpose seasoning. Same way. But still, I'm gonna put some
by the way, Kai sleeping, guys. Kai asleep, guys.
You must see if you get trouble later.
You might charge up for you. Kai charge up for you.
Look at this pretty game. Look at this pretty game.
Yeah, so that's it. I use everything here, so I never use no vinegar because I make my one from scratch. Just put
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce, yeah. And look at ketchup. Actually, I really want to use
That's
stuff
okay.
alone. Yeah. So when I put my chicken in my pan now, put it in the oven.
Yeah. And then I use that to base it.
When it bake,
Yeah.
take it out. When it bake, yeah. I'm not put nothing pan it yet, you know.
No oil into that? You're not putting oil in that?
No, I'm chicken done season.
Baked chicken.
Yeah.
Well, that's a baked chicken, babe.
It's a good wow.
Maybe put some season.
Long time.
Yeah. You season up with some paprika too. Look at paprika. Color, because you don't want it too white. Just want it to color.
Let's come closer.
Alright, yeah. It's not got all, you know. It's not got all.
I'm going to do 2 rounds too.
Oh yeah, me have a next. I forget to me have a next small size baking tin. And when the when you do your chicken and you keep on the skin on it,
Yeah.
it's more you get a more softer texture than when you don't have on the skin it dry out too much.
Okay.
Too dry. So keep on the skin.
Keep on the skin, guys.
Who don't want to eat skin, so when you eat it, you get it and eat it, now you take off the skin. Right? But you just keep the skin on. Just the moisture.
But sometimes
You don't
with
want to dry out chicken.
using this method though, sometimes you get rid of the fat underneath the skin, so it's a lot healthier.
Yeah.
What skin now?
My hand clean, guys, but wash my hand already. Yeah, my hand clean. As we tell them already, my hand clean, my hands clean. Yeah. Alright.
Somebody in this game
So,
science app.
I'm gonna put this in the oven.
Okay. So the oven is preheated already, guys. So remember to preheat your oven.
So,
Yeah.
put that for can stay for an hour, 45 minutes until before we check it.
Okay, so we're gonna do our cake mix now. Okay, guys, so
Chicken not ready yet, so but I want the
halfway there, right?
halfway, but I want the chicken broth to make the gravy.
Oh, yeah, check out the broth.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start this.
Yeah.
Come on,
Yeah.
to make my sauce.
Yep. So that's what we use to make the juicy sauce, guys.
Some people make it dry right, but me want this. Yeah. Right.
So you use this, you get nice flavor into. This is a lot of flavor right here, so.
Yeah.
Yep. There we go. Fat and juicy, right? In a while.
It's something now. See, that's the gravy. The gravy finished now, actually. So the sauce, the the chicken, and the rice. And the rice and peas finished.
Yep.
Yeah, rice and peas.
Rice and peas. Gravy ready.
Yep.
You know who loves gravy?
And the chicken is on the way now.
Adrian.
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take out the chicken and baste it now. Coat it.
Yeah.
It's a lot more
Put it long there. Right. Chicken have a base now, guys.
Yeah. Base it and then put it back in the oven. So when I put it back, when I finish base it, I'm gonna put it back in the oven and show it.
Yeah.
Right? So guys, I'm gonna base the chicken now.
It smells nice, you know.
Yeah.
So you're just putting it in the pan right here.
Oh, you just dip it. Yeah, me that use a brush.
Yeah, I'll have
Brush.
But you,
Easier way.
Yeah,
So
easier.
I want it cut top and bottom. But I have it just
And left
alright. Let me
side.
show you.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm gonna use the brush. I
Yeah,
have to go use the brush and then I have to go
Turn it.
turn it over. You know? So
Yeah.
just put it in it and just boom bang and just take it out.
Yeah, different method that, guys. So you can use your brush if you want to get fancy. Or you can always just dip it.
Fancy.
Oops. Make a mess this one. Anyway, I say go in there and cook, you must make all kind of something.
Yes, finally, I found the happy.
So look who decided to fry himself on the match.
Yeah. A half time now, so we can go.
That's why.
Just slide.
Yeah, so the fans them fully make them no match call off, you know. Liverpool and Man U match call off, you know.
Them vex over the whole Super League something.
The fans them storm the stadium. No sir.
Put off on the match. So how you feel about that?
It doesn't really matter because it's not like we're going to lose the fixture, you just have to reschedule to play next time.
No man. We not
But
talk
for
about the
FPL,
match.
I like that for FPL because I sell Bruno and I sell Salah. I don't have Bruno for a long time and I sell Salah, so when the match call off now, better for me, you know? Yeah.
So how you feel about the Super League something?
Super can't take our next tournament now. It's like a water, football like a water down with that. You understand? Only persons to benefit are them owners. Yeah, so
And then football suffer.
yeah man, football suffer. You know, more TV deal again. For the supporters have to pay more subscription fee for cable, all kind of something, all kind of implications. What for implications? And then with the fact that you don't have no promotion or relegation, these clubs them just have to enter in just play just because there'll be no
rivalry, no true rivalry.
yeah, because there's nothing at stake in a lot of these matches.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Because I like to boy if I lose, I'm gonna drop out. You know? No, it won't be like that.
I'm watching. You saw the chicken drop off already. Like you said, the chicken's actually done, you know?
Yeah.
So we'll put it in now.
How is it?
It's pork.
Look on him. You want a taste, you know?
You want it?
No, him good enough, people.
You have the taste.
And look here now.
It's alright, that's good enough. That's not good enough. It's alright.
Food in a man.
Nice.
So we make a do now.
Nice, mom.
Just clean up. Clean up the edges and whatever. I remove the edges. And put it back in the box. For next 15 minutes. Another oven. Yeah. The next 15 minutes and then
We're good to go.
ready, right?
Yeah.
Show them the finished product.
Finished product. Actually, I smell the brownie. No, guys, you know brownies now gonna have that rice like cake, right? But it'll come. Yeah, it'll come.
So this is another 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. This I keep. Wow. Looking good, you know? Looking good.
Alright.
By the way, let's see what Kyrie are going on with. Oh yeah, breastfeed.
Carries on the breast, you know? That's what I'm going with.
Ah, with them now. Invade Kai privacy right now. Hear him. Eh? Wow. Looking nice. Watch your face, watch your face.
I make this enough.
Yeah. You help stir, right?
Alright, yeah.
You help stir.
So, when the agent ready for share him dinner now, when they share him dinner, I will show you the finished product, guys.
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah, man, look good, man, look good. Alright. I wonder what Kyrie are going with. I'm still up on the breast.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing thing, you know?
Kai. Kai. Hey. May I disturb you? Alright, sorry here. Yeah, or if I eat, we're gonna play football. At your face.
Nobody at the football field on Sunday, so I just went to the park.
You're going to the park? Oh, okay. How is it?
Good.
It's good. Alright. So what coming at you for you if you use knife and fork?
Grandma tell me to.
Okay. Yeah. Guy awake.
Finally.
Guy awake. Hello. Say hello. Huh? They won't get used to the camera, man. I'm telling you. Oh God. Kai, say hello. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello, YouTube.
I hope you enjoyed our content. And if you do, give us a thumbs up. If you have any ideas on what you'd like us to do next, you can let us know in the comment section about we'd love to hear from you.
Yep.
Alright? Jaden here on him face. Full off of food still.
Funny mouth. Watch your mouth.
So this is it from the Delpratt family.
Yeah, guys.
I want to give us a subscribe, right? We
Yep.
always appreciate it.
Yes.
Turn on the post notification bell. Setting must be on all for you to know when we post a video, alright? Give us a
guys.
thumbs up. Bye,
Alright,
guys.
Peace.